installing ethanol sensor kit. You unscrew this, plug it in, connect one of the fittings on here. I'm not even trying to front and pretend like that was easy. Struggled to get those on there. Alright guys, so the ethanol sensor is in. The car is reading ethanol content perfectly. We filled it up, we're ready to go. Let's hit the road, let's get some logs, and let's get this car tuned. Guys, I can't wait to see how much power this car can make, man. I've been waiting so long for this. Finally, time has come.
You lose.
Snap out of it. Okay, okay. I've got an idea.
Give it to me like get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, I can, yeah. Get it, get it, get it, get it,